Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello! Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Walking Dead Season 10, Episode 9. Did you miss me? I missed you so much. I mean, not just because of The Walking Dead, because this is a return of The Walking Dead, because you can notice that I'm late to post this reaction video, but because I was on holidays, so I didn't film a video since more than 2 weeks now, and even if you didn't see the difference because I was continuing to post videos to you, I planned like 13 videos, you know, for you, for not seeing the difference, for having your 5 videos each week, even if I was on holidays. So you didn't see that I disappeared, but I disappeared and I'm back! That's why I'm so excited to film, because of The Walking Dead, but also because I'm back, you know, filming videos, and I'm really happy about that. Maybe you can see it, you know, that I was on holidays. I know that when I saw my family yesterday, when I returned from my holidays, they were like, "You're so tanned!" I didn't see you so tanned at any moment, you know, in your life, so they were really surprised about it. Maybe you are seeing also the difference, you know, maybe you are seeing the difference, maybe not. I don't care. I'm back from my holidays. That was so great. Maybe I'm gonna post some photos, you know, about that on Twitter, because, you know, I did a lot of things interesting, like I swam with turtles, like I jumped, you know, in parachute. I don't know how to pronounce it in English. I made a lot of things and that was so great, so yes, maybe I'm gonna share with you some pictures about that on Twitter. I will see that. Go check my Twitter if you want to have news about that. Right there, I'm back for The Walking Dead because I'm late for the videos. I have 2 episodes late, you know, 2 episodes that I didn't see and that all of you guys, I'm sure, already watched. I managed well, you know, to not have any spoilers about it on Twitter and anything. Maybe because I was on holidays and I didn't spend a lot of time, you know, on Twitter and everything, so maybe that's why I managed so well to not have spoilers, but I'm really glad to be there and I'm really glad to watch the episode, just the episode 9 today and the episode 10 maybe on another day. No, catch up on them and be alright. I can go on Twitter, that's gonna be alright. About The Walking Dead, really, I have to be honest with you. I know that I appreciate the first half of this season. I know that I spent a good time, you know, watching it. I remember that something that they made, I mean the writers were not well done, like this thing with Mission and the King, you know. I remember that I was disappointed about that, not because of that scene, because that was something, you know, why not, but because of how they wrote it and how they chose to promote the show with it. That's something that really, you know, stay, you know, disappointment like that when we are thinking about a season after it, you know, a long time after it, we are still having that thought, that disappointment about the show. And for the rest, you know, I remember that I loved Negan during this first half of the season. I remembered that I loved learning more about Alpha and her group. But for the rest of the characters, I have to be honest, nothing. Like, not nothing, but almost nothing. And that's bothering me a little. Again, I want to be honest with you with that. And I want to know if you felt the same, you know, when you came back with this episode 9, were you like me? If this show is great for something, it's to write well characters, evolutions for characters. And during the last episode, at least for what I remember about the last episode, I remember that I was disappointed about them, the writers, rushing some things about some characters, especially, you know, Gabrielle, who switched, you know, in just one episode. And for Carol, you know how much I love her, you know how much I love her character. Her evolution since the beginning of this show is the most interesting. She has the biggest evolution for one character into this show. I love her, I really love her. But since the beginning of this season, she is doing things that I can't understand, like, no, I can understand her, but I can't follow her with some of her actions, and like what she did during the last episodes, when it comes, you know, when it's about Alpha, she's going blind, you know, she's really doing things without thinking about it, and we are not used to that with Carol. She's a clever woman, so to see her acting like that, that's disturbing for me. And I remember that at the end of the last episode, she saw, you know, Alpha all alone, and she ran into her direction without thinking about it. Like, it's a trap, it's a damn trap, we can all see it, and she chose to not see it, to just listen to her anger just like that. It's not the Carol that we know, acting like that, blindly like that. Again, I can understand why. Again, I can understand her anger for Alpha. But that's surprising me to see her evolving into that path. That's also not well written, because sometimes she's still reasonable and sometimes she's not. Like, I don't know, something is wrong, you know, with that. It didn't feel right with her character, with all of what we know about her since the beginning of the show. So I'm waiting for that, you know. Like I said, I liked the first half of the season, but it didn't leave me really with big memories about it. I can remember feelings that I had during it. I loved Negan, I loved knowing more about Alpha. I didn't like what the writers made with Carol, and also with that thing about Mission and the King. It was just a way to promote the show, and that was annoying me. And if it's not about Siddiq being dead, and you know that I didn't like him being killed because of Carl, I'm not going to talk about it again. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the links. If it's not about these two memories, really about things that happened, I remember that I liked it, I remember feelings about it, feelings about some characters, and bad feelings about some of the things that the writers made, but that's all. And I want more with The Walking Dead, because I love this show, because I love these characters, I want more. I want things, you know, that I can remember about in a good way or in a wrong way, like the last season. I'm not gonna talk about it. Again, I'm gonna put the link if you want to see me just crashing and crying and being so sad and so mad and all of that. You know because of what. I think that you can know because of what, even if you don't know me yet. Yes, I need that, you know, I need that kind of moment with a show like that, with The Walking Dead. So I'm waiting for that for this second half of the season. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking right now, but before beginning this episode, I want to say sorry to you. I don't know how to say it. The weather today, it's a mess. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's windy, sometimes it's raining. Like in just this intro, you add all of that. So the lights are changing, so the noise can be disturbing. I don't have the power to change the weather, so I'm sorry if it's disturbing for you, but it's like that. Let's go for this episode 9! I'm so glad to be back filming, and I'm so glad to be back with The Walking Dead. Like, I'm really beginning this episode in a lot of excitement. If I remember correctly, the episode 8, it didn't leave me with a lot of excitement. So that's great, you know, that I'm beginning this episode 9 with this excitement. Not because of what happened during the episode 8, but because of the fact that I'm glad to be back and with The Walking Dead. That's a good thing for the show, I think. Let's go for this episode 9. That was a painful scream. I'm really, when it's about Alpha, Carol is going blind, you know, she's going crazy. That's disturbing for me. Because I love her so much and her evolution so much. I don't know why, but that scene really sounds like a video game, like jump, jump! All of you, you need to be careful. I'm gonna be so mad if something bad is happening to one of them. Okay, now we're not in a video game anymore, we're into Indiana Jones.
How long do you think we're gonna be here?
No worries. Alright, we ain't got time for this shit. Follow me.
Do that. I would follow him everywhere.
We have to assume if it's sending spies across the border. I want you to take a message to our eyes along the border. They have faith.
Are you adopting her? Ooh, Negan. He has a good instinct, you know. Is he gonna say something? Of course you will read about her.
I begged you to talk to me.
Yes. I love their relationship. I'm not shipping them, not like some of the fans.
Stop thinking about it. Come on, Nick. Everything over.
Don't go there.
Listen, then I want you.
I probably feel the same way.
Me too.
Unless you tried to stop me. You gotta quit all this. You care about her starting to get hurt.
Again.
Don't bullshit me. You gotta promise.
Oh, I don't like that. She's gonna break that promise and is not gonna forgive her for that.
Stick together.
Do that.
Way up now.
I think they went this way. I know road sign I want to see one.
Hard to plug in. Funny thing. Keep your eyes peeled for a spy lurking in the woods. I have an alternate theory to run by you. Right here, you can.
Oh,
You and I. Very different.
oh.
I had a system. Thought they believed in it just like you.
But I believe in your redemption, Negan. I think that the writers are trying to make us think that he is switching
Based on my own personal experience.
closer person, yes.
She is close enough to you that she knows exactly where that hole was.
She's not gonna believe you, but she's gonna test what you are saying. She's gonna discover that you said the truth. Oh.
We're in the middle of this team. I'll take this.
I'm sorry, but I love when they're talking to each other. Their chemistry, I don't know if we can name that, but really they have a big presence, you know, each one of them. So the two of them with that presence talking to each other, it's making interesting scenes. I'm claustrophobic, really, and that's one of my nightmares.
You alright back there? Yeah, sure.
Oh, no, not so sure. Why are you doing that? Searching for an escape, but still... You don't want to find someone into that place, space thing. Come on, not a good time to panic. Trust me, I know your feelings. Come on. The writers are really insisting during this season on making us, you know, see our weaknesses. I love characters who are not perfect, so that's great. It's too much. It's maybe too much for a woman like her, for all of what we saw about her during all of this season. You're not gonna make me don't like her in just one season, some episodes. No. Not a good place, I said! something is happening to one of you. Hurry, please hurry. Jerry! No, 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 no. 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 Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. I'm not gonna cry, I'm not gonna cry. Because he's not gonna be killed. No, 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 no. Do something, please. Ah, that's one of my deepest fears. They didn't? Are we sure of that? Can we have all of the light possible? I'm sorry, but you know, Carl was a lesson for me. I'm not gonna believe it as long as I'm not really seeing it. We are not out. Are we sure that Jerry is alright?
She never made it to the border. It's in Wisconsin to find her.
Oi, 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 oi. She's with us, I mean with our guys now. She chose to go away. That's a better option right now. To not come back.
Am I gonna get my skin suit and finally get to learn the secret whisperer handshake?
I don't think so.
Just
If it was not The Walking Dead, you know, I would be like, maybe she wants to do something with you. You and your little games. Be careful. He's gonna fall in love. I was right. Sorry, I'm not in the mood of the scene.
my name, it meant something.
She's naked also?
You're a crass man.
A reward. For what?
You're really gonna have sex? I was right about that. With the mask? Erk.
And I want to express my gratitude in a way that you will understand.
Sex?
Are you just gonna leave that mask on?
Same thought. I was so lucky to not have spoilers about that moment. We're gonna need to discuss about that during the review. Really? I was joking about them having sex. Really? That was a joke. I'm shocked. Look at me well, I'm not mad at her. I'm mad at the writers for what they are doing with her. You're not gonna make me hate, dislike her. Try again. That's it. She breaks her promise and right there is okay with that, but in fact is not gonna tell her when they're gonna go out. If they're gonna go out. All of you out now. You too? No, 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 you also? Where are they?
This blast is gonna call walkers and whispers from 100 miles from here.
I don't care, they're not dead.
I deserve it.
No, 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 don't. Not now.
Please.
You want that, Carol.
And now she's gone because of me.
Wait, I'm not sure of that. I'm not accepting that yet. Carol!
There's gotta be another way in.
He's gonna search and he's gonna find them, okay? You know the rule. As long as I don't see the body of the person who is dead, that person is not really dead. Okay, so we need to talk about a lot of things and I don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna try to be quick, and you know that it's a challenge for me. Okay, about Carol. Please, writers, mark my words just right now, I'm not gonna hate her just like that. I'm not gonna dislike her just like that, just with some episodes. I loved her for seasons. I loved her evolution for seasons. I loved her character for seasons. I found her and I find her as a clever woman, as a brave woman. So it's not because you are deciding in one season, in some episodes, to make her weak, to make her crazy, to make her blind, you know, by her anger and all of that, that I'm gonna dislike her, that I'm gonna fall into that trap about not liking her just like that. Okay, she made really stupid decisions during this last episode, like running like that for Alpha, what she did during this episode. You want the viewers to blame her, you want the viewers to not like her, you want the viewers to not find her brave or clever. Guess what? You're not gonna succeed with me. And the fact that you want that, you know, for her character, that's annoying me. You know? I understand that what happened at the end of the last season, they want to do something with that for her character to make her evolve, you know, again. I understand that and I think that it's clever, but what you are doing with it, you know, that's not well written, in my opinion. That's too soon, too fast, too far also, you know. You are really trying to make us think that she's weak and that she's stupid in just some episodes, and that's too far, too soon, too quick. No, I'm sorry, but no. You know that we love her character because she's clever and because she's brave. You know that about your fan base, so you are really going in the opposite way for her character during this season, to make her evolve because of that. I don't think that it's well written, you know. I don't think that it's a good thing, you know, for your show to do something like that. People are gonna be like, oh no, that's great because it's an evolution for a character and things like that, but to go on the opposite way of the character that you built for season, it's one, a little stupid, you know, because they can't change just like that, and two, it's almost too mainstream, you know. I don't know how to say it in another way. To do that with a character that you have since the beginning and that you know that your viewers are really fond of, and you are choosing to make her weak, make her stupid, make her things like that, it's almost like too mainstream for your show. Like, to do that, I don't like that. Second thing that I want to talk about during this review, they are not dead. Call me in denial, call me all of what you want into the comments. I know that just because of what I said about Carol and because of what I'm gonna say about them, you're gonna call me stupid names and all of that. I don't care. And you can have a different opinion, you know, you can have a different point of view. I'm gonna let you have one as long as it's in a polite way. If it's not in a polite way, I'm gonna delete your comment. Okay, they're not dead. You know my rule with that. As long as I don't see the body of the person who is dead, who is supposed to be dead, I'm not gonna believe that this person is really dead. And right there, no, I can't believe that. And a lot because of Connie and because of her character and how they wrote her during the last episode, because of her relationship, of course, with Daryl. You know that I don't have a crush, you know, for them. Like, I'm not shipping them, but I can ship them if you are giving me things to ship. Do you understand the difference? I'm not shipping them because I can't see that really happening. I can't see a place where it can really happen, but I'm open to the discussion. I believe, you know, that she's not dead, at least her, not because of their relationship, but really because of her character. She was taking more and more place with episodes during this season, so I can't believe that they just erased that just like that. I mean, if in this show they want to kill her character. It's not gonna be like that. When you are building a character into a season, you know, into the first half of the season, you're not gonna kill that character just like that, and we're not gonna talk about him or her anymore. If you take the time to make this character grow, that's for a reason. So I can't believe that she's dead. We'll see that during the next episode. I'm gonna discover that during the next episode that you already saw, but not me. How lucky I was to not read any spoilers about that fucking scene into that episode about Negan and Alpha. I was so lucky, really. I would have been so mad if I would have, you know, read a spoiler, you know, a photo or something about that scene. I would have been so mad, but I didn't, and that's so great. But really, I was making a joke at the beginning about the two of them maybe having sex and all of that. They really had sex. Like, Alpha is not gonna trust Negan just like that because of one information or because she's having sex with him. That's a reward. She really said it. That's a reward. That's great because it's creating the beginning of a link, you know, of a bond between the two of them. But that's also great because she knew that he said the truth. So for that, it's great. But for the scene on itself, for the two of them having sex together, I can't say that I'm a fan of it because it's so surprising and shocking. I can't say that I love that, I'm shipping them, that's so great and things like that. I can't say that. Like, give me time for that, really. For now, I'm just shocked to have the two villains of the show, you know, naked and having sex together. Why not? Really, why not? Like I said during the episode, the two of them, they have a real presence, a big presence, so each scene that they have together are so great, so interesting, so, you know, powerful just by their presences that, yes, that's great. So imagining the two of them, not imagining, seeing the two of them having sex together, why not? Really, why not? I'm not against it, I'm not rooting for it. Again, I believe in Negan's redemption. And you know that it took me episodes to believe it. If you are watching my reaction videos, and if you don't, go see that into the playlist The Walking Dead of my channel, you know that it took me sometimes to believe that he's into a redemption path and all of that. So I don't want to believe that he's really on Alpha's side, and I don't think that he's the kind of man who is gonna change his mind, you know, just because he's having sex with Alpha. That was, you know, something funny. Yes, really, I'm taking that scene like that, like it was funny to have that during this episode, to have that between these two characters, these two villains and these two characters that we love when they are mean, and also because of their stories. That was fun to have that. Is it gonna be really a thing? I don't think so. That was something, you know, to make. That was something to make, to create. For one episode, that was already great. That's gonna please so many fans, I think, who were imagining that into fanfics. But I really don't think that it can be really a thing. That was fun. That was a good moment. I think that it was, you know, one night, one day, one moment thing, you know. I don't think that it can be a real relationship. Maybe I'm wrong and maybe I'm gonna be surprised about that, but really right now I'm still shocked by that scene. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video right now. Be careful please on the comments because I don't know when I'm gonna have the time to watch the episode 10 that you already watched, I'm sure, so please be careful with that on the comments with spoilers. And if you want to have reactions like you had during this episode with me discovering that scene like that, you don't want to tell me spoilers. If you are watching reaction videos, it's to have the real first honest reaction about something that is happening into an episode of someone. So if you want to have real first honest reaction about something coming from me, shh, don't tell me spoilers. Okay, so that's all for The Walking Dead for today, for you and for me. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.